creating ideal and vibrant living spaces. Superland Group maps out your dream home. Based in Hong Kong, Superland Group is dedicated to the R&D of cutting-edge technologies to enhance the quality of life in all aspects. This is undertaken by its subsidiaries, Success Base Engineering Limited and the newly launched Oodles brand. Success Base Engineering is a large-scale contractor in Hong Kong. With over 20 years of history, we primarily provide renovation services for residential properties, shopping malls, hotels, clubhouses, and commercial buildings. Over the years, we have delivered numerous outstanding renovation projects. Relying on our wealth of experience and a passionate professional team, we provide clients with premium, one-stop project management and furniture supporting services. We advocate a one-stop service model, covering everything from material selection, order placement, production, quality inspection, final packaging, delivery, even the final installation and maintenance are fully handled by Success Base. Our diversified factories also provide woodwork, steel, marble, and painting services, and we are equipped with our own transportation fleet. We have introduced an information management system to ensure product quality and production time meet international standards. The future life moves towards optimization. R&D and cutting-edge technology is at the very heart of Superland Group to promote industry innovation and digitalization and elevate the playing field to the next level. Our group launched a new technology brand, Oodles, integrating terabytes of design, matching, shopping and relevant information to allow users to experience a multiverse of future homes. We developed a brand new online solution, Oodles Smart, with the adoption of innovative technologies. By utilizing AI, the system helps people create a new experience in home decoration. Users simply need to take a random picture or upload any images of properties or concept designs. The system will instantly identify and analyze them through the AI algorithm, enabling users to freely change the decors and finishes, select different materials for comparison, and preview the effects in real time. Thus, the concept of DIY design is then realized. The material library contains over 1,000 types of building materials and furniture options. Users can flexibly mix and match them with the AI big data algorithm. The product will automatically adjust its size according to spatial proportions. It can even be rotated from multiple angles. Users can also utilize the erase function. One click clears the old arrangement, and it realistically presents simulated design effects. The system is equipped with AI generation features. Users only need to simply input keywords. It instantly generates different design styles. This significantly shortens design time and inspires endless imaginative possibilities. In addition, users can also take advantage of the Oodles 720 all-in-one home design software, no longer limited by time and space. They can appreciate their designs from 2D and even 3D perspectives, freely move, arrange and swap furniture, and preview different lighting effects. They can also utilize the real-time measurement feature to experience various design styles. To align with the development of smart cities, Oodles leverages innovative technology to develop a new patented kinetic door lock, accelerating the transformation of smart restrooms. The system integrates IoT and big data technologies, eliminating the cumbersome processes of pulling wires and electrical installations. Without the need to dismantle existing stalls, it easily achieves a smart restroom management system. Users only need to replace the door lock, install the sensor receiver and LED indicator light. Then they can activate the smart restroom device when connected to a wireless network. This helps save on project costs and time, breaking the traditional renovation model. Introducing Oodles Transformer, a series of transforming furniture designed exclusively by the group, at once stylish, practical and flexible. It transforms a specific location into a space for multiple functions. With touchscreen functionalities or the Oodles mobile app, users can control its many features from anywhere in the home. The smart technology and transformable furniture design are specially adapted to meet the daily needs of the elderly and the disabled. Users can now transform limited spaces into unlimited possibilities and create their dream homes. On the corporate social responsibility side, Superland Group pays equal attention to social services while improving its business and uplifting the service standards. We not only sponsor different organizations, but also host a range of charity activities, and establish the Success-Based Love Fund for our staff, to offer voluntary services to communities in need. It is in our belief that a better future lies in our capacity to dream. Superland Group brings you a future made possible through innovation. Technologies are here to redefine and elevate your dream home to the next level.